Hello everyone, today I will show you how to personalize the Rhino user interface, and also I will show you the command ShowZBuffer. Let's begin. To make modifications to the user interface, and by that I mean the way Rhino looks, you can go to Options or type it in the command line Options. Then this window will open. Here go to Appearance, and the first thing I suggest you to do is to change the text size of the command line. In this case I'm using the value of 15. You can also change the type of font and also the background. I usually have it in a darker color, and for the text I have a bright color, just to have enough contrast. By expanding the appearance, you will see a more detailed menu. Here you can change the general color style of the interface to either dark, light or custom. And here you can also adjust other colors of the interface the way you want it. Furthermore, by expanding toolbars, you will see the submenu Size and Styles. Here with the slicer, you can resize the buttons and tabs of the tools you see on the top and side part of your screen. I usually keep it between 25 and 30 for both. One of the first things I do when I start the file is to turn off the grid, again in the options window. The second thing is to adjust the background of the shaded display mode to a more darker color. The goal here is to reduce the amount of light coming from the screen. Believe me, your eyes will be very thankful for that. Another thing I usually do is to hide the ISO curves by unchecking here, and in this way reducing the amount of visible lines. Then in Objects Surfaces, I reduce the width usage to 1, so the lines of the geometries get thinner. By doing these adjustments, the Rhino visuals get refined, and this works for me, but for sure you will be adjusting them differently. Just look around all these settings and find combinations that better fit your eyes. Let's continue. To see the materials like in here, I go to the display mode Shaded, and in color and material usage I pick rendering material. In this way the geometries will be displayed with the materials I previously assigned in the layers, and therefore they are easy to recognize. This is very useful for architects because we usually deal with materials, and having the chance to see all the geometries with the right material helps a lot while designing something. Besides that, it's a different feeling if you're modeling everything with concrete, wood, translucent materials and so on, as if you would be modeling everything in gray color. I'm just saying. Now, to see the rendering materials only works if you assign specific materials to specific layers. And in the Properties window, you keep all the geometries with the Use Layer material. As a tip, I suggest you to keep as much as you can to be assigned by layer. So for any changes you want to make, you just need to go to the layer and adjust them. You can also change the color of the background to make it look like in the sky. Here I have it with two colors, blue on top and white below. And this can also be adjusted for other view styles, like here with the Arctic mode. And let's say you want to go back to original settings, just go to the Restore Defaults and click here. That's it. Now let's see the set buffer. For that, just type ShowZBuffer in the command line, and then you will be able to see everything in black and white. This grayscale mode shows the depth map information of your model. You see, I find this very useful because it allows you to understand the spatial layering of what's happening in your 3Ds. Let's see here some other examples. Some applications would be making these depth-based diagrams, and also by exporting the depth map to Photoshop, you can get this depth of field effect, where some areas stay very sharp in focus and some others get blurred. If you want to turn it off, you can just type ShowZBuffer. To use it in Photoshop, first you need two images. A source image, let's say it in color, and the set map image, both from the same camera position. Then open both images in one Photoshop file. Make a copy of the ShowZBuffer channel. I will make this copy alpha 1. Then go back to the color image, and in filters look for the lens blur effect. Once you have it, look for the depth map source, in this case alpha 1, the one we previously saved. And now the information of the ShowZBuffer will be used for adjusting the blur focal distance. You can even define where to have the focus by picking a point in the image with the cursor. And in radius, with this slider here, it is possible to amplify the effect. Look the difference, here by using the depth of field and here without it. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If so, please like it, share it and subscribe if you want to see more. Take care. Ciao, ciao. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.